If you are managing large projects, you know that keeping everyone on the same page is very difficult. Misunderstandings, missed deadlines, and overall chaos are just part of the job description. Well, today we are going to talk about some practical ways to improve communication in those large projects. Let's dive in. Point 1, define communication channels. First thing first, you need to define how communication will happen. It sounds simple, but a lot of large projects fail because people don't know who to talk to or where to get information. Think about it like this: you would not try to build a house without blueprints. Well, you cannot build a successful project without a communication plan. This plan should specify things like how will team members give updates, daily stand up meetings, weekly reports, what tools will we use for communication, email, Slack, MS Teams, how will we share project documents, SharePoint, Google Drive, how will decision be made and communicated, a clear chain of command or decision making process. By having a defined communication plan, everyone knows what to expect and where to look for information. This reduces confusion and helps to prevent things from falling through the cracks. Point 2, choose the right communication tool. Now that you have defined your communication plan, it is time to choose the right tools. There are so many great tools out there, but you do not need to use all of them. The key is to pick the ones that work best for your team and your project. For example, if you need quick informal communication, a tool like Slack or Microsoft Teams might be the way to go. If you need more formal documentation, email might be better. And for project management and tracking, tool like Jira or Asana can be incredibly helpful. The most important thing is to make sure that everyone on the team is trained on how to use the chosen tools. You don't want people to avoid using them because they don't know how they work. Point 3, encourage open communication. This is perhaps the most important point of all. You need to create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing information, even if it is bad news. In large projects, it is easy for communication to break down because people are afraid to speak up. They might worry about being blamed for a mistake, or they might not feel that their input is valued. As a project manager, it is your job to foster an open and honest culture. This means encouraging team members to raise their hands even when they see problem. It means listening to feedback even if it is critical, and it means celebrating successes big and small. When everyone feels that their voice is heard, they are more likely to be engaged and committed to their project's success. Point 4, hold regular team meetings. Finally, hold regular team meetings. These meetings are crucial for keeping everyone on the same page and for identifying and addressing potential problems early on. In large projects, you might need to hold different types of meetings for different group of people. For example, you might have a weekly meeting for the entire project team and then daily stand-up meetings for smaller sub-teams. The key is to make sure that these meetings are productive and efficient. Keep them focused on the agenda and avoid letting them drag on unnecessarily. And more importantly, make sure that action items are assigned and followed up on after each meeting. So there are you have it. Improving communication in large projects is not rocket science, but it does require planning and effort. By defining communication channels, choosing the right tools, encouraging open communication, and holding regular team meetings, you can create a more collaborative and successful project environment. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more project management advice. And as always, if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.